floating.
Huh?
So imagine, are you recording?
Yeah. Every time I walk round on an evening, on night time, I always hear a nightingale chirping. Do you hear it as well?
No, I don't even know what it sounds like.
It's like a chirping sound.
No.
Like a sweet sound. I always hear it every time I walk around on night time. Any time I go out on night time, wherever it is, I always hear that. And I hear it outside the bedroom window because I sleep with the window open.
Yeah.
Sometimes if I can't sleep, I wake up to the sound. But it seems to follow me everywhere I go. I hear that chirping sound. Right, so we're getting a curry. Who's getting a curry? You having a curry?
No.
Oh no, you're not having a curry, are you?
Yeah.
You having a curry, Lee?
Yeah.
I'm having a curry. Because I haven't had a curry for a whole week. Is that right?
Yeah, about that.
About that. About a whole week I haven't had a curry for.
A few more weeks and we'll be in London.
Oh, I know, I can't wait for London. Oh, it's been so excited. So excited.
How many weeks now till Tenerife?
Huh?
How many weeks till Tenerife?
How many weeks till Tenerife?
It's 5 weeks on Tuesday. It'll be 4 weeks next Tuesday.
4 weeks next Tuesday?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Just under 5 weeks.
Tenerife, and then we won that holiday to Tenerife next April.
Yeah.
Well, I was asking Caroline earlier about that.
Yeah.
She says, be careful that they don't, because we haven't got the food included. She says, be careful they don't overcharge you for the food. Yeah.
If we have to, we'll just go ahead.
Yeah, because I was saying about, what my sister says about it being a con. I was asking her about it, and she says it could be. She says, watch they don't overcharge you for food or anything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, they didn't ask for bank details, so they can't take no money from you.
Oh no, they can't take any money. I haven't given them any bank details or anything.
Oh, if I'd have seen that, like saying, bank details, I'd be like, no, I don't do it.
Oh yeah, I would have, definitely.
Unless it was £1 million.
Did you hear it then? Did you hear it? Did you hear that chirp then, that nightingale?
I think so.
You didn't hear it, did you?
I'm not sure.
I think there's a tree there.
Was it a bird?
It's like a bird, yeah. Yeah, it's a bird.
Go to sleep.
It's always chirping wherever I go.
Need to cross the dude.
This is what Droitwich looks like on night time. I haven't got any cash on me, have I?
Oh, I didn't use the card machine in Subway.
Might as well walk up to Lloyd's. Yeah, there again. Did you do it again?
That time I did.
Oh, that time you did. And yet there's no trees. It's an invisible. Must be God singing to us or something. There's no trees. So.
He's probably saying, if you're gay and you know it,
if you're gay and you know it, clap your hands. If you're gay and you know it, clap your hands. If you're gay and you know it, and you really want a shirt. If you're gay and you know it, clap your hands.
Girls just wanna have fun.
Oh yeah. Girls just wanna have.
Did you see the one down there?
What's that party over there?
Did you see that shop down the road there? Called Escape or something?
I've got no grip on these shoes. You're right.
Yeah.
I've got no tread on these shoes.
It said nobody leaves and it's all in like red. I think they're doing it for like Halloween.
Where is it now, that Halloween thing? No, it's not on there though.
You sure?
Huh? What's
I
that?
might put it back on. Or, I don't know.
The new cafe in Droitwich Cafe in Morse.
That's how I went for my breakfast with my footwear.
I haven't been there yet.
I think I spent about £8.
That's not bad.
I thought you were going to say £80. I'd be like, what? What did you have? The whole table?
The pip's looking closer to being sorted, isn't it? That's good.
That's good.
That's really good. Yep. Yeah.
We won't have to have so many cats then.
Do you mean we have to have so many cats?
We won't have to have so many cats.
I like having cats. It's just the boy cats. The girl cats I've got. These boy cats are a bit.
Well, you said you were going to give him the chance to come back from Tenerife.
I'm going to give him a few. I'm going to give him a few more weeks to see how he carries on. And if hear it again. And if he keeps pissing everywhere, then again. Mind you, there's actually a tree now. Look. he keeps pissing all the time, marking his territory everywhere. But was that you farting?
No,
It was. But we've closed the folding door and put.
it was the birds chit-chat.
Hang on, I'm speaking.
Ooh, sorry, your mark's register.
We closed the folding door when we got up to bed, and we put the dog tray, cat crate, dog crate next to the folding door, and that stops the cats from getting up there. Because if he's allowed on the stairs, then he actually pisses on each step. So I have to go around with the Febreze, spraying all the stairs. Yeah, so I'm going to give him a few weeks, and then if he carries on doing it, get him neutered. Yep. Alright then. Why am I doing a YouTube video?
Because you heard the chirping of the birdies.
Oh yeah. I don't know, I must be somewhere else.
They used to call me on the chirp line.